Sometimes everyday life feels like a fight. Day 20 of the 28-day Inner Black Belt Challenge is about energy conservation, about energy management. I'm Bruno, and I'm the author of 28 Days to Unlock Your Inner Black Belt. Just like when you grapple on a jiu-jitsu mat, daily life can leave you breathless. Our breath is a useful tool in order to manage our energy throughout the day. Challenge number 1 is to start your day with a full energy tank. Number 2 is hourly stress check-ins. Start your day with a full tank. Sit down comfortably, sit upright, keep your eyes open, and breathe in slowly. And for 5 minutes, breathe. Focus on your breath, breathing in through the nose and breathing out through the nose or the mouth. Focus on inhaling deeply down into your lungs, filling your belly up with air, and long exhaling. When you breathe in, focus on expanding your rib cage, breathing out, and really opening up your chest when you breathe. Do this for 5 minutes and your day will be filled with energy. This breathing exercise will balance tension and relaxation. It primes your mind and body for the day ahead. Number 2 is to set hourly reminders. Do an hourly check-in where you take 3 controlled and deep breaths. Check your current level of tension and relaxation. Do this by breathing in 3 times, slowly and deeply. Check for any tension. These hourly check-ins are really powerful. They can prevent the buildup of stress throughout the day. This way you can maintain a more balanced state throughout the day. If you find tension in your body, use the technique I've showed you on day number 4. It's day number 20 and you're still going strong. Keep your energy up and I see you tomorrow for day number 21.